Good evening and good afternoon to you guys. We're going to be going over two major topics that are trending right now, snowfall up to 100 inches in California, and we are going to be talking about some severe weather patterns and some warm weather coming up to the U.S. You can find out more later on. Alright, so first taking a look at our snowfall happening in Nevada and California regions. You can see this is the current time right now. As of this time, we have some heavy snowfall going on into the mountains of California. You got some snow happening right now into Nevada, but the major story is snowfall. So let's take a look here and we'll take a quick look at the slideshow and tell us what we're seeing. So we go on here, you can see snow still happening around Sunday. As we reach into early Sunday morning, some of the snow into Nevada starts to gets out of here as these areas can be affected by the snow later on. Going on to a couple hours out, you can see Sunday still having some major snow to the mountains of California. And the concerning part is some of these regions could be seen anywhere from 120 inches to 100 inches. It's a lot of snow for those mountain regions, but it's fairly common with the mountain snow. You can see snow still continuing to plummet into the mountain regions. Not as heavy, but some areas could be heavier. It's such a very much so slow down regions in northern Nevada could be seen anywhere from a couple inches to maybe a feet or so of snow. And then once it starts to move out as we go on, we took a quick look, go back one more. You can see still a little bit of snow heading out into the mountain regions of California. But once we reach out a couple more hours out, you can see that it slowly starts to dissipate, and then we slowly start to reach into a slow stage. And yeah, pretty much just a lot of snow heading in. This is still fairly far out, but there could be some more snow starting to head into Northern California and northern mountain regions. But fairly interesting event as there is some large snow and large snow amounts happening. So let's take a look at our snow totals. Take a look at our snow totals right now. Anywhere from 100 inches to maybe even 30 inches are reported in these areas. This is only 24-hour snowfall so far, and it just gets crazier over time. So this is concerning part as we have a lot of snow heavy coming down, anywhere from 8 inches in northern Nevada. And then take a look at our snowfall in 48 hours out. You can see anywhere from the light yellows would be anywhere from 60 plus inches of snow. Uh, Lots of snow happening. Northern California regions could be seen anywhere from possibly even 36 inches as we go on. 74 hours out, you can see it slowly starts to decrease in the snow totals, but still some very large amounts of snow happening in the mountains of California. Which is a good thing. You do want to see these major snowfall amounts because it helps with the flow of water during the summertime in California because they mostly rely on snowfall for rain, for basically water, and then goes into uh, the dam, which helps as a water resource. So very good that we have this, but it's a little too much because it could cause some landslides and a little bit of flooding at times when all this melts, but still fairly large amounts in Northern California, and something we just got to keep an eye out on as this goes on. Taking a look at our temperatures, this is so far today, maximum temperatures 85 in portions of central Texas, 51 in Columbus, Ohio. Anywhere from Iowa could be seen anywhere from 67 Fahrenheit, excuse me. So it's fairly warm conditions, 80 in Florida. So fairly warm conditions out. Minimum temps right now, fairly cool out tonight. 42 in Ohio, 60 in central Texas. As we reach into tomorrow, this is where it really starts to gradually increase. 73 in Ohio, 82 Central Texas, which is not good with all the fires that are going on. We will be making a video on that. But it's very dangerous out there with the temperatures and the dry weather they've had. So we'd like to see a little bit of rain help that. Anywhere from 80 in Florida, You can see where that cold air starts to really push down, but fairly warm into the East Coast and into some of the east parts of the U.S. Tomorrow's minimum temps, it's gonna be anywhere from 64 degrees in Texas, 47, still fairly cool out. You can see that little cold ridge coming down. Very cool and cold conditions overnight into the Montana areas. Monday's temperatures, we can see here. All right, there we go. 70 in Ohio, fairly cool, warm temperatures. You can see that there is a little bit of a decrease in the temperatures, so that's good. Still 80 in Florida, 88 in areas, 83 in Houston, 84 in Dallas. So fairly warm conditions. Minimum temps you can see anywhere from 46 and to 55. So this could be very interesting as it could change our weather patterns with warmer temperatures, could bring some more rainfall and severe weather. 75 in areas of anywhere from the Dixie Alley, 81 in Dallas, 80, 78 in areas. 55, you can see it really starts to cool down as we get into the work week, but this is so fairly far out. We'll provide updates as this goes on. Okay, everybody, take a look at our day one outlook right now. You can see the areas of Utah could be seeing some severe weather today. Areas in these areas could be seeing some thunderstorms on the west coast, and then to these areas in this light green could be seeing anywhere from some thunderstorms. Really nothing concerning, but there is a little bit of a wind risk out here for Salt Lake City and areas of western Utah. So that's what we got out there. No wind or tornado threat, just basically no tornado threat or hail, just mainly a wind event today. Day two, mainly just a general thunderstorm risk out there. Nothing severe. But as we reach into the areas of Monday, you can see there's a marginal risk, and the probabilities right now is a 5%, anywhere from Louisiana, Arkansas. Could be seeing some severe weather, but I do suspect that they will slightly change this and put it up in these regions, anywhere from Missouri, Illinois, Iowa, as there is some stuff that I am concerned about, and we'll show you what that looks like. I honestly do think Tuesday they could have a marginal into the Indiana, Ohio regions as there is some severe weather. But we'll take a look at the models right now to basically show you why I think that. So this is the GFS once again. This is fairly far out, but it is the most accurate in my opinion, most long range that could happen. You can see as we go in, you can see there's that low pressure system with that snow that's happening right now. You can see how it very much so moves out and you have that warm temperatures. But what I'm concerned about is these areas here could be seeing some severe weather and has that low pressure system moves in these areas, in these regions, southern Illinois, Indiana, and to most of the Ohio Valley could be seeing a little bit of severe weather. Do I think that's going to happen? Possibly. Am I guaranteeing it? No. But with that low pressure system moving, you can see that it is going to bring in some heavy rainfalls with a little bit of showers and thunderstorms here and into down here into South Carolina, North Carolina, showers and thunderstorms. So I do think that this is might happen. I don't want to go ahead and guarantee you it, but it could happen. So that's basically what we're seeing right now. Don't worry about this stuff down here. It's still fairly far out, but that's what I honestly think what's going to go on. We're still monitoring this situation. We'll let you know if there's any close range models that very much show us a good accuracy of what could go on. Want to thank you all for hanging around with me as I show you this stuff. I'm so sorry for the legacy of no uploads. I'm so sorry. I've been dealing with personal stuff, um, but I won't get too much into my personal life. Thank you for thank you for watching, guys. At Twitter at SciWeather, and we just are now opening a TikTok. It's gonna be SciWeather. I will link it in the description. You can find all these social medias in the description, even our amazing Discord with amazing staff. Also, Instagram at SciWeather91. Once again, this is Weather, also known as Shady. I will see you guys tomorrow with another upload. Thank you.